how to add fog in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our game. And then once you are now on your game, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the Explorer, which is right here. Now, what we're going to do next is to go into the lightning. So click the drop down button right here, and then you will see this atmosphere and then of course the sky. So what we're going to do next is to just click on atmosphere. And then once you're now on the atmosphere, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see this haze. So what we're going to do, if you adjust the haze, this is what it will look like. So as you can see, there's kind of like a fog effect on the sky. So I'm going to set this to 10. So it's up to you if you want to put it lower or higher than that. So once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll up into the properties, and then you will see this density. So on the density, if you adjust the settings, as you can see, there's like a fog effect on the scene. If you put it on max, you're not going to actually see any objects anymore. So if you put this into 0, you will not see any fog. Now, what we're going to do is to, of course, just adjust the fog according to our wants. So let's say, for example, that we're going to set this to 0.6. 0.6, as you can see right there. Let's say, for example, that this is the fog that we wanted. Now, once you do that, you can actually also change the color of the fog. So let's say, for example, that we want to change the color of the fog to color yellow. We can go here and change this to color yellow. As you can see, we can change that. So if you want to change this, let's say, for example, a little bluish maybe, like that, you can also do that. But of course, it's up to you whether you want to change it or not, but I will just leave it as it is. And then once you're now done with this, that is basically it. So that is basically how easy it is. That is how to add fog in Roblox Studio.